Okay, guys, Grandma Rosie's birthday's coming up.
Yay!
So I thought we could make her something yummy, like a cake, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's think of what goes inside a cake. Let's write a recipe down. What do we need in a cake?
Milk.
Milk. Okay, how much milk?
Maybe 10 cups. Oh,
10 cups. Whoa!
Maybe 2.
Maybe
Yeah.
2. Okay, let's try 2. Oh, but we should decide what kind of cake are we making.
Oh, chocolate cake.
Yeah, I think that's a good call, right, Dad? Grandma Rosie likes chocolate cake. Yeah. Okay, so we got milk. Danae said 2 cups. Okay, Macy, what else goes in this cake?
Dark chocolate.
The what, Nate? We heard it.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. The
Cocoa powder.
Yeah.
How much cocoa powder?
Chocolate. 2 cups.
2 cups of. All right.
2 cups of cocoa.
We have a very chocolatey cake. What were you saying, Royce? I didn't hear.
You could do chocolate strawberry cake.
Ooh, chocolate strawberries on top sounds perfect. I think that's exactly what Grandma will like. Okay, what else do we have? So flour, cocoa, what else we got to put in there?
We have to put in there some
What? We have flour. What keeps it together? What do we like crack and put in there sometimes?
eggs.
Eggs. Okay, wait. Are we making this for Grandma or do we want to make it Macy safe too so we can all eat it?
We can all eat it.
Okay, so what do we want to put in besides the eggs? Flaxseed or vinegar?
Vinegar.
You want vinegar? Sound good?